just got a restore media warning in the JVC Gy-HM850CHU. If you have gotten the restore media warning and do not need the footage or files on the card, just go ahead and format the card. But if you need the footage, you must restore your media. Make sure the card's write protection is not on. To restore your media, hit the menu button on the upper left of the directional pad. Using the directional pad, navigate down to System, hit the Center Enter button, navigate down to Media, hit the Center Enter button. Scroll down to Restore Media and hit Enter. Select the card that needs the media restored and press the Set Enter button. The restoring dialog should appear on screen. When the media is done being restored, the word Complete should appear on the screen. When complete, you can use the card in the camera as you normally would. If the camera gives the message that your card cannot be restored, take the card to a computer and transfer the footage to your hard drive. After your footage has been transferred to a computer, place the card back into the camera and format the card. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact us at 215-641-6477 or by email at techservices@mc3.edu.